Wemwega. Hello. Jetago Wabui Wadumu. My name is Wabui Wadumu. This is Kikuyu Simple Lessons. In this episode, we'll be looking at the alphabet. In our previous episode, we looked at the vowels, and you did notice that we do have some vowels that are added in the Kikuyu language. In the alphabet, we have letters that are omitted in the Kikuyu alphabet. If you see the ones that are in blue, these are the ones that are prenasalized. That means that they don't stand by themselves. For example, B, I did not highlight B, but B is sometimes prenasalized in some of the names. For example, the name Baru, Baru, like the ribs, Baru. So you only hear the B, but you don't hear the M, even though the M is there. Then we have bebe, bebe, bebe as in corn or maize. You only hear the B. D, the name is Dongo, and this is somebody's name. Dongo, Dongo. You hear the D, but you don't hear the N. Dimo, Dimo, like the lemon. Dimo, you only hear the D. Then we have the G. Sometimes G needs something, another letter to help it come out sound in the Kikuyu alphabet. For example, the word Gima, Gima, or Gima, and then J, 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 Jega, Jega, or Jege. Jege is a porcupine. Jege, Jege. On this other side, we have the omitted letters, so we don't have these letters in the Kikuyu alphabet. We have the F, L, T, Q, S, V, X, and Z or Z. We have letters that sound very closely to these ones. For example, in the word fa, which means father, fa, it's B, but it does sound like F or V. Rido, like the I. Rido. Sometimes in the Kikuyu language, there's that problem of the L and the R. So some people will say rido, but it's supposed to be rido, which is R. Then we have K and Q. May sound similar, but it's not the same. Kyogo, like the head. Kyogo is head, not Q. C and S are quite similar. Sounds the same, but when you pronounce, it may sound like S, but when you're writing it, it's C. Siade, like the beggars. Siade, or beggars or shoulders. Now, in our next episode, we'll be looking at the greetings in Kikuyu. And I'll be showing you different ways of greetings, like in the morning, during the day, at night, and casual greetings, and in between. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And please let me know what other area of the Kikuyu language you would want me to cover.